Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best small springs is probably one of the most overlooked components in countless devices and mechanisms, from everyday items to complex machinery. Today, we're diving deep into the world of small springs, exploring their diverse types, applications, and the critical role they play in ensuring everything functions smoothly. Get ready to discover which small springs stand out from the rest, offering the perfect balance of performance, durability, and value. Number 5. Columbia Women's Benton Springs Full Zip. This full-zip fleece jacket from Columbia is designed to keep you warm without feeling bulky. It's perfect for layering or wearing on its own during those chilly days. Made with soft and comfortable fleece, this jacket feels great against your skin. The fabric is also designed to retain heat, keeping you warm in various conditions. The full zip feature allows for easy on and off, and it gives you control over your body temperature. You can zip it up for maximum warmth or unzip it for ventilation. Whether you're hiking, running errands, or just relaxing at home, this jacket is a great choice. Its versatility makes it a wardrobe essential. This jacket combines style and functionality, making it a great addition to your wardrobe. It's a practical choice for staying warm while looking good. What we like. This jacket features a full zip closure, making it easy to put on and take off. The cozy fleece provides warmth and comfort in various weather conditions. If you are looking for a versatile jacket that can be worn in many different situations, then you should consider this one. What people say. High quality, genuine Columbia. Great fit as described. I love the fabric feel. It's soft, not itchy or too heavy. Very warm for the lightweight feel, comfortable, high quality and pretty inexpensive. The fact that it cinches at the bottom of the waist portion is nice as well for a more customized fit. Love this Columbia jacket. Great quality fabric and the colors are perfect. Fits true to size. Didn't lose its color after washing and drying. It's nice and thick and warm. Zipper works every time. Love the zippers on the pockets. Number 4. Amazon Basics Queen Smart Box Spring Bed Base. Introducing the Amazon Basics Smart Box Spring Bed Base. This is a queen-size bed base that provides excellent support for your mattress. It's designed to make your sleep experience more comfortable. This bed base offers extra firm support, ensuring a quiet and stable foundation for your mattress. It's designed to provide you with a restful night's sleep. You'll feel the difference immediately. The base is compatible with any spring, memory foam, or hybrid mattress. It's a versatile choice that works with your existing mattress. This makes it easy to upgrade your bed without buying a whole new set. Assembly is quick and easy, with interlocking components that require no tools. You can set it up in minutes. It's designed for convenience, saving you time and effort. It features a robust steel frame with horizontal slats for long-lasting stability. This ensures the bed base will last for years. The sturdy construction provides reliable support. The two-piece fabric cover is removable for easy spot cleaning. This helps you keep your bed frame looking fresh. It's designed for easy maintenance and care. What we like. This bed base boasts tool-free assembly, which means you can set it up in minutes. It offers extra firm support for your mattress, ensuring a comfortable night's sleep. If you are looking for a quick and easy setup with a sturdy foundation, then you should consider this one. What people say. Very easy to put together, high quality, sturdy, design is smart, very functional, as well as foldable. Very sturdy and easy to assemble. Easy to assemble, very sturdy and the height 5-inch worked perfectly for my bed frame and mattress size. We had a very good night's sleep. Number 3. Amazon Basics King Smart Box Spring Bed Base. This is the Amazon Basics Smart Box Spring Bed Base. It's designed to provide you with a comfortable and supportive foundation for your mattress. It's a great choice for anyone looking for a reliable bed base. Experience a restful night's sleep with the extra firm support this base provides. It's designed to minimize motion transfer, ensuring you and your partner can sleep soundly. This base offers a quiet and stable foundation. This versatile base works seamlessly with any spring, memory foam, or hybrid mattress. It's designed to accommodate a variety of mattress types, making it a flexible choice for your bedroom. You can easily upgrade your current setup. Setting up your new bed base is a breeze with its tool-free assembly. The interlocking frame components come together quickly and easily. You'll have it ready to go in minutes. Built to last, this bed base features a robust steel frame and horizontal slats. This construction ensures long-lasting stability and strength. It's a reliable investment for your bedroom. Keeping your bed base clean is simple with the removable fabric cover. You can easily spot clean it to maintain a fresh and pristine appearance. This feature adds convenience to your life. What we like. This bed base boasts tool-free assembly, which means you can set it up in minutes. It offers extra firm support for your mattress, ensuring a comfortable night's sleep. If you are looking for a quick and easy setup with a sturdy foundation, then you should consider this one. What people say. The springs were exactly what I needed. They worked perfectly for my application. The springs are of good quality. Number 2. Compression Springs Assortment Kit, 225 PCS, stainless steel. Introducing the Compression Springs Assortment Kit. This kit is designed to provide you with a variety of springs for various repair needs. It includes 15 different sizes, making it suitable for a wide range of projects. You'll find the right spring for the job with this comprehensive kit. Each spring is marked with its size for easy identification and selection. This feature saves you time and effort during your repairs. Made from 304 stainless steel, it resists rust and corrosion. This ensures that they will last and perform well in various environments. These springs are perfect for doors, curtains, automobiles, and more. It's a great collection to have on hand for most repair projects. The springs are neatly packed in a transparent box. This makes it easy to store and organize the springs. What we like. This kit offers a wide variety of spring sizes, perfect for various repair projects. Made of stainless steel, it ensures durability and resistance to corrosion. If you have a lot of repair projects or need a variety of spring sizes on hand, then you should consider this one. What people say. Had the perfect spring for the brushes on my 12-volt motor for my trailer, and springs work to fix Christmas lights inside the house. One length and size turned out to be exactly what I needed. Good springs, effective, and as described. Check specs first. If correct, these are easy to recommend. Lost a recoil buffer detent spring on a rifle, and sure enough a spring from the assortment dropped in and replaced the one lost. I can see this kit coming in handy. Number 1. LEGO Spring Lantern Festival 80107 Building Kit. This LEGO set lets you recreate the Spring Lantern Festival. It features a beautiful, buildable traditional garden, perfect for celebrating the Lunar New Year. The set includes a garden with moon gates, a pavilion, a bridge, and a pond. There are also frog and koi fish figures, bamboo trees, and an ox lantern with a light brick. It comes with 7 civilian minifigures and accessories. These include a rabbit lantern, a camera, rice balls, a bubble tea, and more, adding to the festive atmosphere. This 1,793-piece LEGO set is an awesome gift for kids aged 8 and up. It's ideal for solo building or sharing the fun with family and friends. The model measures over 7.5 inches high, 15 inches wide, and 10 inches deep. Inspired by a traditional Asian garden, it makes a striking and festive centerpiece. What we like. This LEGO set recreates the beauty of the Spring Lantern Festival. It features a detailed garden with traditional elements. If you like celebrating Lunar New Year and enjoy building intricate sets, then you should consider this one. What people say. This one was pretty easy to build since it's all very flat and mostly just adding decorations on top of what essentially amounts to an extended baseboard. Set is well designed and has a large number of pieces, 1793, that provides many structural details. There's a lot of little details, and my kids love that the bowl lights up. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.